What are the top 2 mistakes when kids add decimals? Those mistakes are represented in these 2 circles. So looking at the circle to the left first, hopefully right away you can pick out the mistake, which is that when this problem was set up, the decimals were not lined up. And we can tell by looking and circling the decimals and noticing that they're in more of a diagonal than that straight column. So if we were to set this up correctly, 2 and 48/100 plus 5 and 1/10, we would see that we would get a very different answer than what the student got in the circle. 7 and 58/100 is very different than 2 and 99/100. So super important that we have those decimals lined up in that straight column. Looking at the second circle over to the right here, what mistake was made? So the original problem was 89/100 plus 6. And the student set up 89/100 plus 6. Looks correct, everything looks good, but the mistake was if there's no decimal in sight, that decimal gets placed to the right. So by placing that decimal to the right and setting this problem up, we're going to see that the 6 does not go in that far column. The 6 actually goes way over here, giving us a final correct answer of 6 and 89/100, which is very different than 95/100. So making sure that if we see a whole number without a decimal, that we place that decimal to the right.